Hello, and welcome to Innowera's Process Runner Help series. In this video, we will use the dynamic formula functionality of Process Runner to split and append long text that is over 72 characters. Here in the iBook ribbon of Process Runner, we have our data for a VA01 Create Sales Order Transaction Automation script. This example uses VA01, however, this feature works across other T codes where split and append long text may be needed. If we double-click the header long text data, we can see that we have text that is about 300 characters. Let's try running this script without using a dynamic formula to see what results we get. We have received an error that the text is too long to fit in the field. Often when working with text fields in SAP, we are limited to a maximum length of 72 characters per line. We need to split and append the long text to the next line in the field using the dynamic formula. To access dynamic formulas, let's click on the Mapper ribbon, make sure we have selected Advanced View, and at the top we have our dynamic formula column. Let's look at the dynamic formula options for the text editor text line field and select the Split and Append as long text lines option. For the majority of T codes, Process Runner will automatically configure this dynamic formula when you enter text in a long text field as part of the script recording process. The Split and Append as long text lines dynamic formula is only available in text fields. This formula will split the long text into blocks depending on the character length of the field, and then append the blocks one below another. We can see in the mapper that the length of this field is 72 characters, so the formula will split the text about 5 times as we have around 300 characters. Furthermore, if the 72nd character is part of a word, Process Runner will create the split before the word begins to ensure no words are improperly spliced. Let's go ahead and press the Run button, log on to SAP, and watch the automation script run with the dynamic formula. If we open the sales order in SAP and look at the header long text, we will see the long text has been successfully uploaded. This concludes our explanation of how to utilize the Split and Append as long text dynamic formula. Want to learn more about simplifying SAP with Innowera technologies? Visit us at innowera.com. Thank you for watching.